Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2006 Toyota 4Runner, and I want to show you how to remove and install a directional bulb. If you need any parts, check us out, 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay friends, so now that we're under the hood, we're going to get to this directional bulb. I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to show you right where it is. You can follow these wires right here, and right there is exactly where it is. Okay, you can see my green, bring it in, bonk, 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 there it is. We're going to grab onto this, give it a twist counterclockwise, that's to the left. We're going to remove the whole socket with the bulb attached, and then we'll remove the bulb from the socket once it's out. Just get my fingers on it, give it a little twist. Here it is. Now we're just going to grab our bulb, push down, turn counterclockwise to the left, and remove it. This is what your bulb looks like. It's a single filament bulb. This is what your bulb looks like. It's a single filament bulb, and it's an 1156. NA. NA just stands for colored, because generally speaking, you'll have a clear bulb, and then you'll have one that's yellow like this, and the ones that are yellow are listed as NA. Now, assuming you have either your new or your old bulb, you would just take it, install it into the socket by pressing down and turning to the right. You should feel it latch in. I'm going to find my socket hole. There it is. Just get this in, give it a nice little twist. Once I get it in all the way, there it is. Give it a twist till it stops. Give it a nice tug, make sure it's completely locked in. Now let's give it a test. There it is. Awesome.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.